Congratulations on completing the course. You've taken a significant step towards mastering the Spring framework and becoming a more efficient Java developer. Let's review some of the core concepts and activities covered in this course. Spring Framework simplifies Java enterprise development with features like dependency injection and aspect-oriented programming. Setting up the development environment requires Java, an integrated development environment, or IDE, and a build automation tool like Maven. Maven manages dependencies via pom.xml, while Spring Initializer streamlines project setup. Spring Boot simplifies Java development with auto-configuration, embedded servers, and minimal setup. Controllers and annotations like define API endpoints and handle HTTP requests efficiently. REST APIs allow communication between clients and servers using standard HTTP methods. They enable clients, such as web or mobile apps, to request or modify data on a server. The Spring MVC framework simplifies building web applications by handling requests and responses efficiently. Timeleaf serves as a powerful template engine for dynamic views. Spring Security protects web applications by implementing features like form handling, validation, and security. The final project helps you apply the skills learned throughout the course. You had the opportunity to design and develop a quiz app using the concepts learned in the course. Now that you've reviewed some of the fundamental ideas presented in this course, revise the course content using each module summary and glossary to brush up on the definitions of all important concepts and terms. Depending on your schedule and the number of classes you take, you may finish a course in 3 to 6 weeks. We recommend you continue implementing the concepts learned in this course on your programming and software development journey by participating in relevant projects. We hope these principles will hone your skills and help you advance in your career. Please enroll in the other programming and Java development courses IBM offers to further your knowledge. Congratulations on completing this course. We appreciate your initiative in your learning journey and wish you the best.